Today we're very excited to be placing our fishing line bins together with Overstrand Municipality. It's a project that's close to Dyer Island Conservation Trust heart. When we do beach cleanups with the kids, we're continually finding fishing line along our coastline. Up to 120 pieces of fishing line can be found in 1 hour in some sections, and even in Cape Town and all these areas, people are experiencing the same problem. So it's something that we'd like to see extended along this coastline. Fishing line can last up to 600 years, it doesn't decompose. With these fishing line bins, we're asking the fishermen to please place their line in here. We will come and collect it. We'll empty these bins on a regular basis. The fishing line can in fact be recycled, reused where possible. So we'd like to get this project as far as possible along the coastline. We're very excited that the Overstrand Municipality supports the project and that we get to do this together as a joint venture in our immediate area along Fransbaai, that we place in Franskraal and Danger Point and all the fishing areas, especially the Fransbaai harbour as well. While we're busy putting up these poles to put our fishing line bin, we found just this amount of stuff just in front of us. There's hooks attached, it's vastly entangled in all the debris of the beach, and this is what we're trying to get rid of.